So we're here sa Eiffel Tower, Paris. You know? Oh. Ha? So famous landmark here in Paris, Eiffel Tower. So mommy, between augmentation of the nose using filler and threads, which is more advisable?
Things, it's a lot safer to use threads. Kasi yung ang ayaw natin with fillers, no, mga hyaluronic acid, yung occlusion of yung mga blood vessels na very, ano pa naman yung nose
Nababarahan.
natin. Yes. Maraming blood vessels around it. So, nakakatakot talaga yung paggamit ng fillers. Pwede
So
pa rin,
occlusion may lead to blindness
blindness
because you have a blood vessel
yun
coming.
yung pinaka-dreaded. Pero pwede rin masira
supplying the
yung
eyes.
balat, no? Kung hindi man yung blindness, pero pwede rin masira yung skin kapag nabarahan yung mga small blood vessels around the nose. But blindness is the scariest.
Okay, so go for the threads. Go for the threads instead of using fillers.